Guys, the stock market, especially the tech sector, has been beaten down to a bloody pulp, including NMDM, and this provides for us an incredible buying opportunity. Are we going to go lower? Are we going to bounce from here? All of these questions are going to be asked in this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned into the end of the video because I have some very important news regarding the stock market and NMDM. What's up, guys? My name is Myles. This is my second YouTube channel. I have another YouTube channel where I do cryptocurrencies. I have over 10,000 subscribers on there, but this channel I created because I have a passion for the stock market. I am an expert in technical analysis, and this information, all of this wisdom and knowledge that I've accumulated over the years, I want to share with you in these videos. So if you guys want to make a lot of money in the stock market, you guys want to get some awesome technical analysis, some price predictions on stocks, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss a single video, because my videos are very time sensitive. Also, guys, if you want to join the Discord, you can do so through the Patreon. The link is in the description below. I also offer my private trade alerts. You can see my portfolio when I trade, and I also offer trade alerts for stocks and crypto. So if you guys are interested in that, you can check out the Patreon below. All right, but guys, let me know in the comments below, do you think NMDM is going to continue to go lower, or is this thing going to bounce from here? And do you think we are in a stock market? Are we headed in a stock market crash? Let's talk about it below. All right, guys, so we have NMDM. It is included in the NASDAQ, and we need to take a look at the overall market, including the NASDAQ, to see what is really going on with the stock market as a whole, because we have some talks of inflation that's going to be occurring for the next couple of months. And then we also have some good news that interest rates are not going to be raised for a couple of years. So that is very good. We have people returning back to work. We have a lot of stimulus getting put right into the stock market. We have all $1.9 trillion being injected into the US economy. We have people starting to travel again. Guys, states are starting to open up. This is very bullish news. Overall, guys, we are in a bull run. We are continuing to go up, and that is great news for the stock market. Can we see another correction like we saw a few weeks ago? Yes, but I don't think that we are going to see a correction of that magnitude. Especially even with the tech stocks, a lot of my tech stocks are still beaten down and pretty much at the point where they were a couple of weeks ago when we saw that major crash in the tech. But really, was it a major crash? No, it was a correction, to be exact. But let's take a look, guys. We are seeing the NASDAQ right here, and this was the big dip. And let's take a look and see how big of a dip it was. We are seeing a 10% correction. So we came up a little bit and we've gone down. So does that mean we're a crash because we've gone down 3 to 4%? No, it does not. However, it looks like we had formed a head and shoulders pattern. We have the shoulder here, we have the head here, another shoulder, and we broke the neckline. We came down, but we corrected and have come up ever since. So we've broken out of that pattern. But what we are seeing is right here. This is where we're at right here. We corrected here, and we need to continue to move up, which we did. We corrected here, and we've moved up. We've reversed to the upside, and we're coming down. So we're going to test some levels of support for the NASDAQ. These tech stocks are going to come down and test some levels of support, which we are seeing. Do I believe we're going to come all the way down to where we were at a 10% total correction? And is this a 10% correction from here? No. We are seeing approximately a 6 to 7% correction, which is completely fine. It is completely healthy in a bull market. And guys, if I zoom out all the way, look, it is healthy to see corrections all throughout history, all throughout time. And this was last year when we had the major crash. But guys, look, it is healthy to see. We are in a bull run. We are continuing to go straight up. Look at this. We're going straight up. We're breaking all-time highs. And that is fine. That is fine to note. But we must understand that nothing goes up in a straight line in the stock market, with cryptos, or with anything. There must be corrections, and this is healthy. So I believe that we are going to be seeing a pump within the next couple of weeks with the tech sector, especially included some of these tech stocks like NMDM. I believe that we are at a discount with NMDM and that we are going to be pumping very soon. But when are we going to be pumping is a very good question that we must figure out. So if we take a look at the chart, this is NMDM now, and we take a look at the correction, we saw a 63% correction. But guys, we had a massive gain. We were at a penny stock, and we broke out of the penny stock level, and we hit heights and we hit highs of $17. That is incredible. So just like the NASDAQ composite, we are seeing a similar correction. This is a little bit more drastic, but look, we've reversed right here, guys, which is good. That's a good sign of a reversal. We saw a lot of buying, which brought us up. So we're probably going to come down for another day, maybe a couple of days, where we're going to drop down a little bit. And this could be a good time to enter a short position, to take some puts, to hedge some of your positions if you hold this stock. And I would never recommend selling this stock when it's already been beaten down. Your opportunity to sell is back here, or all the way on the top, or when it's green. That's when you want to sell a stock, not when it dips. You want to sell the rips when it goes up. When it's green, that's when you want to sell. So the question is what is going to be happening here? I think it's possible that we could see another reversal to the upside right here, because we have a lot of good news overall in the stock market, but we can also go down further for a couple of days. And the last time we had this mini crash in the tech sector, we went down for several days straight, and then we saw a correction. We were seeing some healing, but we just have a bunch of FUD. We have a bunch of stupid news coming out, a bunch of fear and uncertainty and doubt, and this is pushing our prices down. But this is great because it provides for us a buying opportunity. It'll be very interesting to see if we come down to test this level of support. I do not think that's possible, but it is possible. It is possible we can come down and test this level of support. I meant to say probable, by the way, but we could come down to test this level of support. And if we were to break it, that would be incredible to see. Honestly, it would be incredible to see. I don't think that it's going to happen, but if we do, that would provide for us an incredible buying opportunity, because when you can see dips, when we start to break other levels of supports, which I don't think we're going to be going down that further. But if we were to get to these levels, I would be watching to buy positions, because when something was at $17 or $20 or $50 and it drops to such cheap levels, there is going to be a bottom 100%. And that is when you can make a lot of money, and you can be able to make some of your profit back that you lost, some of your gains back, and you can do so very quickly. But for my price target, I think that we can go down. What I'm predicting is that we can go down for a couple of days, and then we will see a big boom, possibly on Friday, possibly tomorrow. I think we are going to be seeing some green in the near future. But remember, just because it's all red and all you see is red does not mean that it's going to continue forever, that we are eventually going to be seeing some green here soon. So remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But if you guys like today's video, please smash that like button, subscribe, blow up the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video.